simple Arduino project. As you see, this is my one of the most important thing you need is this. This single chip is the most important thing you need. This is the heart of the Arduino. This is the Arduino. You need this. Put it there. And then wait. I will try to find the red wire, but I don't think it is. I'll say red wires over here. Yes. So this is a red wire. Be sure that your red wire is special. Look, this red wire. Can you see? Can't see. Look, this red wire has a pin over here. Look, pin over here. But it also has another pin on the other side. Look, this is the other side. You see that? So it is a pin to pin wire. Now look at this Arduino. You can see it has a lot of small things. The camera is slightly blurry, so you can't see them. But if you look very closely in person, I can see. This is slightly corrupt, but it will work for normal versions. See, look, in the power section, if you put your Arduino like this, you see in the power section, almost it. Let me help you. You can see the pins. Can't see most of them, but the second pin, if you put your Arduino like this, the second pin from the power up to down will be your positive. It's 5 volts, so it's positive. Always. You can also use 3.3 volts, but I don't think my Arduino works. I don't think everything works in that way. And there's also this blue wire. This is a pin to hole. We want a pin to pin, but whatever. I'm just lazy, so I'm not gonna put. When you see in the power section, if you put it like this, you can see the second last and the third last pins up to down are actually GND. What is GND? It's negative basically, but it will also work in space. It's called ground, but it will work in space. It's basically negative. But how to open this Arduino? Oh, I forgot that. So when you buy Arduino, this thing should come with it. Look, this and the other side too. Okay, look, this Arduino, you can see, has this small pin. Like whatever. There should be a button near it, and if you look very closely, it's written reset somewhere near it. So that way, look, that blue stuff. Look, the thing that I'm showing you. Look, that kind of white thing is. Wait, that no. This thing, this kind of white thing that you seeing now, is connected to this. So, to this. But how do you connect it? First, just connect it like you would connect anything. Connect this like you would connect anything. Just connect it to a laptop, and if you see a green light and the orange light, it means that it's working. I just need to shift it a little bit. Sorry if you are comfortable with the other design. Look. Now look. It's very much bright. You see that? But you see that those lights? Those are actually showing you that the Arduino is working. It's working. And what if you press this reset button? It won't reset your laptop, but it will reset your Arduino. Like if you just uploaded the code, but there is already all the uploaded code in this Arduino, then you need to hit the reset button, but that older code will be gone. And once you've uploaded your code using the Arduino software, you can get this out and put it anywhere. Even put it into your own robot and sell it for a price. So it will be very hard to click on the stop button, so I'm just gonna use the wire. Wow, the wire is good at clicking stuff.